What up guys, Miguel here of Tech, and if you own a Huawei device in 2023, you know the app marketplace to be in is Huawei's very own App Gallery. In this video, we're going through a rundown of how 5 of my go-to apps in real life fare with a Huawei smartphone. In this case, we have my favorite smartphone from Huawei this year, the Huawei P60 Pro. Let's dive in. Are you one of those people who check on Facebook and Messenger the first thing they do when they wake up? Or are you somebody going through a dumb existential crisis, plagued to forever doom scroll on their phone on any of their favorite social media platforms? Well, either way, Facebook and Messenger can be found natively on Huawei's App Gallery, and it's never been easier to download apps from there without any real repercussions compared to any other smartphone. To install apps like Facebook and Messenger, head over to the App Gallery and install the Gbox app to do so. And take note to skip the other one from gboxlab.com as it may have ads in the future. The version from the App Gallery will not. So this is what it looks like when you look for Gbox in the Huawei App Gallery. Now, with Gbox installed, let's go ahead and install Facebook and Messenger. So, did you notice that small Gbox cornerstone in the app icon? That's how you know the apps need Gbox to run smoothly. And in any case, you can simply log in with your existing Google credentials and or make a new one to be able to use all the Google apps you need. And that includes all your favorite Google apps like Google Docs and Google Drive. The apps can even auto-update. All you have to do is go to App Gallery, then tap on the Me tab, then go into Settings, accept enable notifications, go to auto update apps. You can select either on or Wi-Fi only. Anyways, just like that, we have Facebook and Messenger. Reacting to posts, reposting memes, watching stories, exchanging messages with friends on Messenger, and browsing the marketplace are all a non-issue. Late Messenger notifications? I'm starting to believe that issue is more of Facebook's fault. It seems to be a thing with whatever smartphone you're on, whether that's Harmony OS, iOS, or even Android. By the way, if you skip the Gbox installation step, Gbox should automatically install when you're trying to install an app that needs it. Little note though, the BPI app still does not have support for fingerprint or biometrics at the time of this recording, nor does it feature the Gbox cornerstone, but we're assuming those features should be available soon. Wait a minute, I just remembered I got some bills to pay, which is perfect because I need to download the new BPI app. The old one's dead after all. There you go, installed. Pretty seamless. Whoa, now that we're here, I think you should also install YouTube and Gmail. Yeah. Also, if you can't find a specific app in the app gallery like Netflix, we can easily hop into the Play Store through Gbox and install it from there. Now, why don't we also load my HUAWEI? Yo, Earl.
T, a new Tech video just got published.
Oh, then we should check that out in the YouTube app we just installed. It's especially noticeable how quick and intuitive everything is now in terms of finding apps and downloading them onto your Huawei device. So, alright, that was a pretty nifty and informative video. Let me just go ahead and smack that like button. Anyway, before the day ends, let me go ahead and check some last-minute emails on Gmail and schedule our next town hall meeting for everyone to see. Alright, everything looks good, so let's go home. Earl, why don't you connect the P60 Pro to the car stereo real quick and play some Spotify tunes while I bring you home?
Sure, just let me install Spotify real quick. Here, I already installed the app.
Nice. Put on some tunes and let's go. Ingat. And that's it for this video on how a Huawei phone handles my top 5 apps I use in real life. I don't see why or how a Huawei user can't survive with the app gallery in 2023. But hey, you tell me, what do you guys think of the Huawei app gallery in 2023? Is it still a hassle? Let me know in the comment section below. But if you found this video enjoyable or informative, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.